So students, today we are going to learn about the geological processes, and we are going to learn about a very important force that is called as the orogenic force. Well, in geological process, as you can see over here at the moment, you see that the earth is getting subducted. Okay, these are two continental plates, and the one continental plate is getting subducted under the other. So this is the first thing that happens. So the animation that happened when I left away. Thankfully I am safe. Well, in that animation you saw that there was shaking that took place and there were faults and crevices that were created. Let's see again what happens. What do you observe here, children? You all are observing that there is a force that is acting upwards. So what do you think is happening? When the force is acting upwards, this orogenic force is going to go a little upward and it is going to create a type of a mountain. We shall see that in a video. Here, when oceanic plate is involved, one plate will dive below the other, which will result into subduction. The video explains what will happen when two continental plates collide. Suppose there is a subduction zone, as you can see in the video. It may happen that there is a continental plate as well as an oceanic crust on the plate. Due to the removal of oceanic plate, as you can see in the video, the continental crust will collide on the continental plate. This happens because the plates are floating on the asthenosphere. Once they collide, they form folds. The folds push each other together. This leads to a high mountain range called as the orogenic belt. The folds don't only form towards the upward side, but they exert pressure on the asthenosphere and thus submerge the asthenosphere down. For example, an ice has more of surface area below the water than on top. The same phenomena is seen at the orogenic belt. Hence, these mountains grow taller and they grow deeper. They can go deeper up to 80 kilometers thick. Sometimes, due to this, an earthquake can be caused. But because there is no oceanic plate which is involved anymore, there are no volcanoes. Thus, fold mountains are formed.